All right, good morning. Welcome to day 9 and Fun Friday. Let's get going with what we're going to be working on today. So in math, got some Fun Friday activities. First thing you're going to do is there's an escape room that I want you to work on. Okay? And I want you to start with this 40 times. If you need help, there's a video that shows you how to work through it, but try to work through it first. You're going to need to use problem-solving skills, strategic thinking. There's a lot of things that it's going to take to be able to get out of this escape room. When you get done, work on a little bit of IXL. Then we will have our book discussion. We're going to talk about the camouflage book that you guys read on Raz Kids at 10 o'clock this afternoon. For reading, you will continue to work through the assignment given, or the task given yesterday on camouflage. See, that's why I've got camouflage on. Camouflage helps us blend into our surroundings and animals to blend into their surroundings. So for humans, it's used in the military, it's used for police officers, it's used in hunting. Okay, I'm looking to see why animals use and how animals use camouflage. We'll have that discussion this afternoon. And then writing, you're just going to continue to work on either your writing informational piece or your story jumper project. I'm guessing a lot of you heard yesterday that Governor Kim Reynolds extended our school closures to April 30th. And we still have not heard exactly what that's going to look like for our district, but as soon as we find out, we will definitely be in contact with you. Okay? Have a great weekend. Thank you.